So this is the gate valve that controls the head race to the water-powered sawmill. Right now it is in the open position. You can see the shaft is way up. So that's how far we have the pipe open right now to allow the water in. I don't think we ever talked about the volume of water it takes to run this mill. This mill is not energy efficient by any means. When we open that gate valve at the mill, we're putting 10,000 gallons a minute through this mill. So it takes a lot of water to cut one board. All right, here we go. We're going to start the mill.